I heard a great story the other day that President Biden, while his advisors were warning and telling him about AI, didn't really get the full picture or wasn't really concerned until he saw the recent Mission Impossible movie. As a result, that movie in July, then you have an executive order that comes out in October, along with a variety of other things. The AI of today is not the machine learning and natural language processing that we had even a year ago, right? The ChatGPT, some of these technologies, they're a year old, a year and change old, and they're evolving so quickly. The LLMs, these learning models are just evolving so quickly. You can understand, you can write code, and there's a variety of dependencies on third-party processors and connections in your data stores. You really have to take a step back and say, okay, we know that AI has serious benefit to businesses and organizations. What do we need to do to get the benefit of that while protecting our data? So this is where we've been helping our clients at, looking at a variety of different tools and implementations on the AI side, not just looking at a piece of software, but looking at how that software interacts with cloud services, interacts with your local data stores, interacts with public data. You really need to pinpoint and analyze all of the different points where AI is providing value to your organization. This is just security. Along with that comes compliance, right? The president issued an executive order around AI that's requiring the National Institute of Standards to really up its game in terms of how it advises companies and individuals to evaluate AI and to evaluate the risks. There's a risk management framework for AI. They need to update the software development lifecycle, and the secure software development framework needs to be updated to account for AI. All of these things are very early on, but know that they will be enforced in some way, shape, or form. Typically what happens, the government puts out a set of standards and then different industries adopt them in different ways. You could be in healthcare and you have to comply with HIPAA. These standards are going to tell you how to do that. As you go into 2024, really go in with an AI strategy and a plan. And really, we are not here to scare you about anything. I mean, even at Schellman, we are looking at ways to adopt AI to improve our services and to improve the value and the delivery of services to our clients. We're not shying away from this at all. We don't think you should either. However, it's good to take a step back, look at the overall strategy, look at where your data resides, look at those data governance models, think about the things that you need to comply with, and really put together a comprehensive strategy for artificial intelligence.